In this video, we're going to learn how to print the negative numbers in a list using Python. So for example, let's create a list called numbers list. And in this list, we'll have the numbers 5, negative 67, 0, 45, negative 23, negative 82, and 95. So what we want to do is only print the negative numbers in this list, which are the numbers negative 67, negative 23, and negative 82. To solve this problem, we'll create a for loop, which is going to examine each number in this list from the first number in the list to the last number in the list. And each time we'll check to see if that number is a negative number. And only if that number is a negative number are we going to print it out. So we'll have here for number in numbers list. And the way this for loop is going to work is that the for loop body is going to run for each number in this list, from the first number in the list to the last number in the list. And each time it does, number is going to be set to that next number in the list. Then we'll check to see if that number is a negative number. We'll have here if number is less than 0. If this is true, that tells us the number is a negative number. And we'll output that number using print only in this case. So we'll have print number in this case. So we can save our program and try it out. And we'll get here the negative numbers in our list. And again, the way this is going to work is that the first time the loop body runs, number is going to be set to 5, the first number in the list. We'll check to see if 5 is less than 0. It's not, so we're not going to output the number. Then the next time the loop body runs, number is going to be set to negative 67. We'll check to see if negative 67 is less than 0. It is, so we do print the number. And the loop will just proceed like that through the rest of the list. So this is how we can print the negative numbers in a list using Python. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.